I was telling you the story about my dad and them fucking mushrooms, you know. And there's a little background about the kind of person my father is. I'm 14 years old, and he takes me to this Father's Day party, and he tells me on the way there, son, I don't want you drinking. So we get there to the party, and first thing he does is hand me a beer. So I drink that beer and about 4 or 5 more, and then somebody brings out this big old gallon jug of white wine. And so I had me a few chugs of that there white wine, you know. And then somebody brings out this homemade prune wine. They had distilled themselves out in their fucking garage or something, I reckon. And I'll be goddamned, I had myself a few chugs of that. That's kind of about the last thing I remember was drinking that there homemade prune wine. But apparently I went in the dude's bathroom and took my dick out and proceeded to pee everywhere in his bathroom besides the toilet. And then, well, my dad had had enough of me by then, so he throws me in the car. We had a little Volkswagen, a little bug Volkswagen. He throws me in the back seat. He gets in the front seat. And I proceed to puke all down the back of his neck and back, all down the back of his seat. And I don't remember doing none of this. And well, he wakes me up at 5 o'clock the next morning with a bucket of soapy water. Come on, you little son of a bitch, get the fuck up and get the fuck out there and get that car cleaned out. So I get out there, and there was my vomit everywhere, for one thing, but apparently I had spit loogies. There was loogies everywhere, and so there was loogies on the windshield, there was loogies on the roof, loogies on the floor, on the seats. It took me like 2 fucking hours, 3 hours with a fucking hangover to fucking clean that fucking car out. And what does my dad do? My dad tells my friends. So for 2 years in high school, dude, I went with the fucking nickname Puking Loogies. That's some funny shit, though.